How to fix League of Legends freezing or crashing problem. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. First, go to your Play Store and then search for League of Legends. This is the game you are looking for. If you already have installed it, make sure you also have the latest version of the game. As you can see, for me the game is not available yet, so I cannot install it. But if the problem of freezing or crashing is occurring, make sure you have the latest version if you have installed it, obviously. Next, tap and hold the application and then go to its app info. Then from its storage section, simply tap on clear cache and restart your game. And that should fix your problem. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any question, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.